Okay guys, Super Duckman 24 here with my Murray 4.5 horsepower lawnmower. As you can see, there's still snow on the ground. It has been started since, I think, November, and it's February, so it's time to do a cold start for this thing. Very cold. So I put some starting fluid in, enough gas to get it started. So let's see what happens. Pull it. Oh. Piece of crap. Come on. Start from there. You're gonna be a piece of crap. I don't care about the battery, damn it. The battery's low, so I don't know how much time I have. It's probably because it's so cold out here. Oh my god. This thing is being a piece of crap. See, can it start now? Oh, that's why. I knew that.